crafty friends, it's Caroline, and I am back today with unboxing of a Paper Craft Society subscription box. This one is from a couple months ago. I'm not up to date on them, and I have quite a few I need to catch up on, so I may end up going through a few of these here in the next few weeks to start sharing with you, and also so I can actually use them because I bought them for a good reason. Anyway, this is an amazing subscription box. Look how it comes. Each one has a different design on it. It's beautifully decorated, and you open it up. And then on the inside, there's a little quote from the designer. Each month is a different designer's box of goodies and their creations and inspirations and all sorts of wonderful things. This one here is box number 27 from the Frugal Crafter. That's Lindsay. And the really great thing about this is that you can either keep them all in the box, or the way this is set up is that it's on the spine, all of the goodies that are in here, which I'm going to show you. So you could set them up, on a bookshelf so that you can easily access them that way. I've still kept them in their boxes because I can't pass up an amazing box, and these are amazing boxes. So I don't know. We'll see what I do. I've got a storage issue here that I might have to address, and this could be how I address that, if this makes sense. But anyway, so you open it up, this beautiful box, this quote from Lindsay that says, "We are all on an artistic journey with different goals. Don't worry about the products, just enjoy the process." And I think that's just a great quote, right? And so Lindsay is the Frugal Crafter. You get this amazing little envelope of goodness that I'm going to get into. And then in the bottom, there's always this nicely wrapped in tissue little bundle of goodies. Go ahead and pull this out. There's also little templates here that you can make for a bookmark sleeve, a library card holder template. They just use every part of this packaging, which is pretty amazing. I'm going to go ahead and close this up and set it aside. And then in here, you've got a whole bunch of other little goodies that come with the kit. And there is always a magazine, like a small little magazine here. And that's Lindsay there with her happy little smile and showcasing her box. Inside, there will be a letter from the designer explaining what's all in everything. And then there's just all sorts of great ideas on what you can make, different inspirational aspects to it. I mean, this is a really great, this magazine alone is like worth the price of admission, but they give you all the goodies to go along with it, right? So there's all sorts of tips and tricks for techniques. This particular box comes kind of as an invitation to try some watercolor painting. And so it comes with this little envelope of watercolor paints, watercolor hues. And here is a little portable, travel watercolor paintbrush that you would fill with water, and then you could get them wet and paint with them. It comes with some postcards. I don't even know what this goodie is here. Let's open it up. Oh, wow. These are really neat, tiny little pretty brads. And these, I'm assuming, are to make these are for the tassels for some of the bookmarks that are shown in the project guide. Then we've got a little packet of coordinating cardstock. And these are some rub-ons, just all sorts of great little accoutrements for the projects and the makes that they're showing here in this magazine. Now here, let's get into the meat and potatoes of it all, though. Has a nice little Velcro closure. You open it up. It says, "Don't forget to share your makes with us at #PaperCraftSociety." And so you guys can also search that hashtag, and you can see all sorts of things that people have made with these boxes, as well as some of the boxes themselves. I mean, you'll get to kind of get a feel for what's included in them, right? On this one here, we've got a whole bunch of these dies to make bookmarks or frames or just all sorts of amazing things. I love these postage stamp dies. Those are really amazing. And then look at all the buttons. Oh my goodness, I love the buttons. And then we're going to open it down a little bit further. And then this one says, so mix your new supplies with your old for a unique combination to create a style that's really you. These are all quotes from her. And then when trying something new, you either succeed or you learn. There is no failure. Isn't that great? And then down here, it says, don't be afraid to use your stash. The only supplies that are ever wasted are the ones that stay in the box. And I love that because I do have some things I'm afraid to cut into, you know, and so it's almost a permission to do that. Look at these gorgeous watercolor papers. Let me get them out of the sleeves and I'll be right back. Look at these gorgeous watercolor prints, you guys. Aren't these just amazing? I mean, these boxes are truly inspirational in so many ways, but not the least of which is this paper. Oh my goodness. It's just gorgeous. Well, that's just a lot of beautiful, fun stuff right there. Okay, and so then there's also included in here was this, and these are some rub-ons, I believe. And then also, oh yes, look at oh wow. I don't think these are rub-ons. I think these are just, yeah, they're just foil prints on a vellum, on a really pretty vellum. Oh, aren't these beautiful sentiments? And then there is an extra sheet of vellum here. And this is some heavy cardstock. Got 2 of those as well. Oh, how beautiful. Celebrate, thinking of you, happy birthday, several happy birthdays. Some with sympathies, some other thinking of you with gratitude. Welcome, baby. These are just gorgeous. Okay, so all of that comes included as well. And then, let's go ahead and slip these back in here. And then you get a sheet of stamps. And so in this sheet, we've got kind of the canceled stamp for the postage. There's a New York kind of postage cancel mark here, button, welcome baby, happy birthday, thinking of you, beautiful flowers, butterflies. I do really like this postage stamp. Live life in full bloom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stamp sets. So this is, you know, just kind of a sampling of what you get in these Paper Craft Society boxes. And I think I'm going to play around with this one. This is one that I, you know, received, I don't even know how long ago. Life got kind of crazy there for a minute. And I haven't had a chance to play around with it. So I think this is what I'm going to probably try to work on today, maybe for my hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, because it is Monday, and kind of see what happens here. I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I know I didn't post on Saturday for Satmorn Makes. I didn't post last Monday for Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. I was at a retreat that I think some of you know about. And then when I came home from the retreat, I was sick. So yeah, so be careful if you're in the airports and traveling. There's still buggies out there. But I got sick, and so I've been kind of under the weather for the last few days. I am feeling a little better today, and so I'm venturing into my craft space, and I'm really glad that I did. I'm really glad that I went and reached for this box that I hadn't opened yet, and I'm going to try to play around with some of these and see if I can't make something and post here later on this afternoon. But I wanted to hop on here really quick today and share with you this particular kit here from Paper Craft Society. And this one, like I said, is box number 27. It's the Frugal Crafter. And yeah, I think that it's a really great kit, and I love that there's this really nice little letter here from Lindsay, this hello and welcome. Oh, this was December. If I would read, I could tell you. This was the December 2021 box. It's what, May 2022? Yes, well, okay, that's what it is. Anyway, it's lovely, and I can't wait to play with it. And I think that if you guys are interested in checking out any of the Paper Craft Society boxes, I would highly recommend them. I think that they are just chock full of wonderful goodness at a really very affordable price when you consider everything that you receive. And yeah, if you do end up ordering one, let me know how that works out for you, because I'm always inspired to see what other people do with their boxes and stuff too. This one may still be available. I don't know. I haven't checked on the website, so I'll go ahead and check all of that out and link whatever I can in the description notes below. Okay, so that's what I've got for you guys today. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're being really nice to yourselves, and I hope you're finding some joy in your journey. Thanks so much, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.